right, we arrived at Palma Mallorca. Going to check out this beautiful island. So let's check it out.
Palma is the capital of the Balearic Islands, which include Mallorca, Menorca, Formentera, and Ibiza.
So this is known as the Bellver Castle, Castillo Bellver.
The Bellver Castle was built in the 14th century for King James II of Mayorca.
Very impressive castle.
This was also known as Europe's first circular castle.
Look at this beautiful view of Palma Mallorca. The other side of the castle, of the Bellver Castle. This is the best view of Palma Mallorca.
Notable residents include football player Asensio of Real Madrid and Rafa Nadal, tennis champion.
Here at the top of Palma Mallorca, with such a beautiful view. Some of the most famous residents include tennis player Rafa Nadal,
Now we're heading to the Pearl Factory Museum.
This is where they do pearls in Palma Mallorca. We're gonna visit the factory.
All the pearls are handmade to perfection. Palma's been manufacturing pearls since the 19th century. They use this technique to make the pearls all identical.
Here, España, 1975.
Collection used by Miss Spain, 1975. Palma actually speak both Spanish and Majorcan languages.
City center of Palma Mallorca.
Here we are at the city center of Palma.
This is Mallorca city center. This is Jaime Ferrer, siglo XIV. Now we're going to have a nice lunch. Tapas mix con croquetas de pollo. We are going to visit la Cathedral de Palma Mallorca. Palma Mallorca Cathedral. It is massive.
Construction began in 1229.
It's one of the largest cathedrals in Europe. In Spain.
It was finished in 1601.
Palma Mallorca Cathedral, right behind me. It's amazing.
Anthony Gaudi was involved with some of the restoration on the cathedral. La Salle is even taller than Notre Dame.
Probably the best part of the island of Palma Mallorca. Adios, Palma Mallorca! Alright, so we just got back to the ship from Palma Mallorca. We got to enjoy the gorgeous islands. And one thing that I did find interesting about Palma Mallorca is that they actually have two official languages, Spanish and Majorcan language. So that was pretty interesting. And it's definitely a beautiful island. And tomorrow we're going to visit Cagliari, so I'm pretty excited. Now don't forget to go ahead and like and subscribe.